Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you best game turbo setting in Redmi 14c. For this guys, first of all, go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of additional setting. Just tap on additional setting guys, and then on this section we have game turbo. So just tap on the game turbo, and as you see the game space is now open. So just let's see, just click to settings option, and as you guys see we have a game turbo which we have to enable from here. If we're talking about in-game shortcuts, so we can enable and disable this feature also. After this guys, talking about the content recommendation, so if you want to enable this, you can enable this. Guys, if you want to remove games from the home screen, so that you enable this and all the games will be removed from the home screen. We can install the games from here. And if you're talking about the home screen shortcuts, so yes, we have a shortcut of the game mode in home screen. After that, we can also add game from this section. By the way, right now all the games are added, and but you can add or remove from this section. So these are the settings, by the way. And if you're talking about the performance optimization, like avoid overheating and hardware related issues, so we can enable this. Bandwidth priority, memory exceptions, yes, we have these type of settings, like enhanced feature, the auto brightness, auto off reading, turn off reading mode, restricted screenshot gestures. So if we're talking about the best settings, so yes, these are all the settings for game mode. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.